Go back to my red shack in Kealakekua, Hawaii. I wanna be where bombs come, take my hand and dance to the war. I can hear those old guitars playing on the beach and oh now I can hear those old Hawaiians saying, "Come on, my no kamu ika hala belka hawa bon belang before the ship will be sailing back to come." Well, it's a grand old place, it's always fair to see. I'm just a little boy and I'm a homesick boy. I wanna go back to fishing, my boy. I wanna go back to my grass shack in Kealakekua, Hawaii. Where the moon can go up swimming by. Where the moon can go up swimming by. Take it, Patty. in the grass shack, eating camp of Hawaii. If I could is that boy that I used to know, I could hear those soul guitars playing on the beach at home now. I can hear those old Hawaiians saying, "The cool Hawaii, no cool, Ika Hali, Velika Ha." We won't be long before the ship will be sailing back to Kona. Well, it's a grand old place, it's always fair to see. I'm just a little Hawaiian, I'm a homesick kind of boy. I wanna go back to my fishing, my boy. I wanna go back to my little grass shack in Kealakekua, Hawaii. Where the hula was swimming by. Where the hula was swimming by. Patty Maxine, all right. We'll be back in just a few minutes, you guys. So hang tight and have some good Hawaiian grinds and some from these fine drinks.